Hi, my name is Andrea Nuzzolese, and the title of my work is Towards the Natural Ontology of Wikipedia. Well, among the others, the main motivation behind our work is the partial coverage of the Wikipedia that still exists, for example, with Yago or the Wikipedia ontology. So we want to identify what we call the natural ontology of Wikipedia, that is an ontology that reflects the richness of terms used and agreed by the crowds for defining entities in Wikipedia. We call this ontology natural as it is extracted from natural language definitions of the Wikipedia entities by means of Tipalo. The resulting ontology is called Ora and counts of around 600,000 classes and covers around 3.1 million of the Wikipedia entities. We also provide alignments between Ora and OntoWordNet and a subset of Dolce ultralight classes in order to prevent synonymy and polysemy among classes. Thank you for attention.